Yo, what is up guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say this right off the bat. I never would have thought a $29.99 microphone would be this good. So I've been looking for audio setups and things to basically improve my videos because I felt like I pretty much got everything down at the certain point that I can get it as far as audio. Yeah, just mainly audio. So I started looking for audio setups. But now the thing is, they were either way too expensive or they kind of looked and felt like toys, which was the problem. Now luckily I did find the boom mic for a pretty good price actually. I'm very surprised that this all worked out with this audio setup, but now I just needed something portable. And that is where the Fine K025 comes into place. Now, since this is a wireless microphone, you aren't going to have to worry about any cords or anything extra. It's pretty much just the microphone and the receiver itself. So the microphone itself actually does run on two AA batteries. Now, this is a little bit of a nitpick for me because since this does run on batteries, you're going to have to pretty much keep on buying batteries. But now if it did have a rechargeable battery inside of it, that is going to sort of degrade over time. So it's just little things that I just nitpick at. I don't know why. Same thing for the receiver, except you're not going to use AA batteries. You're going to use AAA batteries. Now, for you guys that clicked the video for a sound test of the microphone, that will be coming up in the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But let's just go over the quick features of this microphone. Fine pretty much prides themselves on making budget audio equipment at a fair price. Now, for the K025 microphone, what it says is that it is the best budget wireless microphone. Not being a toy shows a good balance between quality and price. Now, I can completely affirm that that is true because this microphone is not necessarily the most fanciest or just all out with the materials, but it definitely does feel its price and it doesn't feel like a toy. This microphone does use UHF bands, so it is a penetrable line and it ensures you up to 80 feet. So basically, the receiver and the microphone can be insured up to 80 feet away and you can still get clean, crisp audio. And this microphone also does have 20 frequency channels, so if you are in a less ideal environment, you can adjust the frequencies so that way your receiver and your microphone will still deliver crisp, clean audio. Alright guys, so we are currently outside and I did want to just test the range of this microphone away from the receiver. Now I'm not going to go exactly 80 feet away from the receiver, but I just wanted to test out a pretty good distance away. So you guys should still be able to hear me. I'm like maybe 20-30 feet away. Y'all should still be able to hear me. The receiver is still giving a solid red color, which does indicate that we are still in range. And I am pretty far away from the receiver. Y'all should still be getting crystal clear audio. And it's still red, so that is good. Well, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. I'm not going to go exactly 80 feet away just because I don't know how far 80 feet exactly is, but just from that little short distance away, that was pretty good. It's very impressive to be in a $30 microphone to have that type of distance. That's very helpful. But back to the video. Now, they do state on the website that since this is battery powered, it is great for outdoors use. And then they also say that if you do intend to use this microphone for PC karaoke, a better alternative is the K026. It is better suited for that. So this receiver is using a 1/4 of an inch output. So basically, the audio that you are about to hear, I am going to have to use an adapter to plug this into my DSLR. But what the main use for this is to maybe like plug this into your speaker. Like for example, the Ion Audio Game Day, I would plug this into where the normal microphone would go. And then I would be able to walk around with the wireless microphone and use it wirelessly and not have to worry about a cord. And that's pretty much all the features that are stated on the website. Another thing that you might want to know is that you can get a 2-year product warranty when you subscribe to Fifine mail list. So make sure to go subscribe to the mail list and you can get your free 2-year warranty. But just for you tech heads out there, I will have the exact specifications that are on the website right here, so you can just pause the video real quick if you want to, and it's gone. Okay. Alright, so this is the part of the video where I was telling you guys about the audio test. So I am going to switch the audio from my boom mic to this microphone, and then we're going to talk to Future Charles, and he's going to basically tell y'all his thoughts about the microphone and the way it sounds and just all the stuff like that, because I can't really hear how it sounds while I'm talking into it. So we're going to talk to Future Charles in a moment. Let's get this audio switched up. Alright guys, we are back with the K025 microphone from Fifine, and this is pretty much what the audio sounds like. Like I said, I can't really hear, so we're going to ask what Future Charles thinks of the audio. But just for a quick size comparison, this is the Ion Audio Game Day microphone, and this is the microphone from Fifine. And as you guys can see, it is a pretty big difference, but I really don't mind it, considering that it is wireless and we don't have to worry about a cord anymore, so that is just really helpful. Now the audio setup, like on my camera, like I said, I'm using the adapter for the receiver, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all my perspective right now of what it looks like. As you guys can see, that big old receiver sticking out. I'm definitely gonna have to find a fix for this in the future, but that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. But Future Charles, tell me what you think about the audio. It's just that whenever you keep moving the microphone away from your mouth, the volume strength goes away. Keep it towards your mouth like most people are going to be doing. It sounds pretty crystal clear to me. Oh, really? Well, I already knew that from the jump, but is there anything else that you want to tell the viewers? Like anything that's bad about it, if there is anything bad? Something that I would say or just note is that if you are yelling or screaming into the microphone, that the noise is going to pretty much start to distort. So as long as you're just talking like a normal person and not hooting and hollering, then you should be pretty much fine. But just little stuff like that, stuff that's kind of like common sense. Oh, well, yeah, you're right. That is true. That is something that I have noticed, that it does distort at higher volumes. But just for normal stuff like this, it's pretty much perfect, right? Yeah, pretty much. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you, Future Charles, for taking the time to answer these few questions. And viewers, if you guys would like to buy this Fifine microphone, the K025, it will be at the very top of the description below. It will be the first link. Click it, and it is the #1. Well, it is a bestseller on Amazon, so that is a good sign as well. Make sure to go check out this microphone. And that's been pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.